guys, so today's video is going to be a 2 looks 1 palette situation, and I'm doing these looks catered to like a Valentine's Day makeup tutorials. So I'm gonna do one eye with a really nice soft glam and another eye with a more bold look, and I think that this is a really awesome idea and my friend Sasa came up with it, so thank you Sasa so much for your idea. And yes, I'm filming this on Valentine's Day in the morning. I'm going to try to get it up as soon as possible so those of you that actually want to recreate this look can, because I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette volume 2. I'm so excited to be able to use this palette again. I'm really disappointed with the way my video turned out yesterday. I did go out and buy it yesterday and I filmed it yesterday and my microphone was not working the way it should, but all settings are back on track, so the audio should be good in this video. And I just want to give this palette, I want to use as many colors as possible in the next like few days so that I can do as many looks as possible and give you guys my complete and honest review on it. I did like a first impressions review yesterday, and honestly so far I really love the palette. I think it caters to a bunch of different people, whether you like neutrals or you like pops of color or you like bold looks. I think there's many options in there for it. So I'm really excited to be able to do like a soft glam look for those of you that actually like are gonna wear eyeshadow tonight. I don't know if I'm wearing eyeshadow tonight, to be honest, but if I do, I'm probably gonna do like the soft glam look. I usually don't go out in like such bold makeup. Anyway, before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join my fam by hitting that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's get into this tutorial. So I think I'm gonna start off with the soft glam side, and I'm gonna do this eye in soft glam. First, I gotta take the palette out of the packaging. That was like a tongue twister. I like to keep the cardboard. It's not really cardboard, is it? I don't know. Plastic? Whatever. I like to keep the outside because I don't know. And my palette's already dirty. That's really embarrassing. I'm so sorry about that. If you didn't see my review, I will leave it up in the card so you can go ahead and watch it. I really like this palette so far. I think there are so many looks you can create using it, and I'm definitely going to use like this section for the soft glam look. And yeah, let's get into this. So I'm going to start off by taking a nice transition shade, like a nude transition shade, which is this one. It's called Perfectionist. And it is like a medium tone transition shade. Should I zoom you guys in a little bit? Yeah, why not? And I'm gonna take a really fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M456, and honestly it's stained pink, so there's no pigment. I just spot cleaned my makeup brushes and there was nothing on it, I promise. There's a lot of fallout with this palette, so I definitely recommend doing the eyes first. Let's see what happens when I tap it out, because you see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a lot of fallout. So I'm really scared I'm gonna mess up my face makeup. Hopefully I don't. I'm just gonna take this all over the crease and really blend that out. And you wanna take it in windshield wiper motions, as Jaclyn would say. I learned all of my makeup skills from her, to be honest, because windshield wiper motions, I always keep that in mind when I'm blending makeup into my crease. And I haven't used this shade yet, so I'm like really excited to be experimenting with more shades from the palette, and yeah, it's blending out nicely so far. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Homebody, and it's just a deeper like brown shade, and I'm gonna take a Time LA, what is this, 206 brush. It's just a little bit of a thinner brush. It's also stained, by the way. I just do bold looks around here, okay? There's no such thing as neutrals. So all of my brushes are stained with pink and purple. It just happens. I'm gonna stamp this in the outer corner. So the goal of this look is to be as quick as possible with it and, you know, still glam. So it's a soft glam look. Like, it's a really easy and quick soft glam look. So I'm not gonna take any more product, and then I'm just gonna take it into my crease just to deepen the crease a little bit. You want to take it a little bit further than where your crease actually is, so we can give the illusion of a cut crease without actually having to do a cut crease. Really take your time and blend this, and don't add any more product because you don't want to deepen the crease too much if we're going to keep it like a soft glam. These 3 shades right here are so freaking similar. Like, I could do without like 2 of those, to be honest. So I definitely want to like deepen the crease a little bit more. I'm going to take the original brush and a little bit more Perfectionist, which was the first shade we took, and just kind of blend the 2 together. This is like an old school technique, going back into your transition shade and just blending everything out. You just want to make sure there's no harsh edges. I'm not going to cut my crease, which is the whole goal of this. It's going to be quick and easy. I'm torn between what shade to take. I'm going to swatch 3 of the shades. This is Drama Queen, which is this one right here. And I'm going to swatch it right here to see. It's going to help me decide. Then we've got Bougie right here. They're so buttery. Oh my gosh. And then we've got Ride or Diamonds. Oh, Jaclyn, she's funny. Oh, I don't know which one. I think I want to take Drama Queen. I wonder if it's gonna perform better on my finger. I'm gonna try on my finger first. See how it goes. It's so pretty. It's such a pretty shade. I need a brush because my nails are not gonna let me get really up in there. You want to create the illusion of a cut crease by taking the lid shade all the way up to your crease, even though there's already some product there. Definitely feel like this performs better with my finger, but it's okay. I haven't even sprayed my brush, so I don't know if it would do better with spray on the brush. So I'm gonna go back in with the outer corner shade. This is Homebody, and just blend the two together, making sure there aren't any harsh lines. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the same shades I took on the top, obviously, on a flat brush and just put it really, really close to my lower lash line. A little bit of fallout with this one, so before it gets worse, let me just wipe that away. And then I'm gonna take like a pointer brush and take the transition shade Perfectionist and just sweep it under just to make it a little bit more smoked out and blended. For the inner corner, I'm gonna take this shade right here. I'm in love with this shade right here, to be honest, but I wish there was a shade like this, just with a little bit of sparkle to add to the inner corner, because this is a matte, like, highlighting shade, and I don't know, sometimes I want to go for something a little bit more. Oh, actually, wow, that is very pigmented. That is more pigmented than I thought it would be. I'm also gonna highlight my brow bone with this a little bit. So pretty. Yes, girl. She snapped with this palette. I love the shade so far that I've used. It's very, very good. So I'm gonna take it the extra step because I'm extra like that. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I'm gonna place a darker shade just to smoke it out a little bit near my top lashes, and I think I'm gonna take, ooh, which shade do I take? And I think I'm gonna take Oh Hello, which is this one right here. It's like a burgundy purplish shade, and I'm just gonna smoke it out slightly near my top lashes. You don't have to do this, but it'll hide the lash band anyway. You know what, I'm gonna like use a different brush for this because I'm gonna take one of the pointer ones. It's not smoking out the way I wanted to with that brush, so that's what I'm talking about. And toward the end of this, I'm gonna take it even higher just to like blend it with the outer corner shade. You know what might look cute? Adding this to the lower lash line too. You think? Should I? Let's do it. Really, really close to my lower lash line. That way there's some symmetry there. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's definitely super simple, but a little bit glam at the same time. So I'm gonna start off with the purple shade, which is this one right here, Not My Journey. And it's a matte purple shade. So I'm gonna take that on a Morphe. This is a small Morphe brush. I don't know the name, it's rubbing off, so. Okay, so I'm taking this in the outer corner. Oh my god, there's a lot of fallout. And then I'm taking it up to the crease and the inner corner as well. Sorry, the dogs are barking. Sorry if you hear them. Before this gets worse, holy crap. And now my face is stained. Makes me wonder if I should bake under the eyes and keep it baking there. Definitely a lot of fallout. I definitely recommend you do the eyes first. So I'm just building up this color. I love that color so much. I think it's really good. Did she have a purple? I'm pretty sure she had a purple in her original palette, right? Did she? I can't remember it right now. I have it in storage. Now I'm gonna take this bright ass pink. I'm so excited. When I swatched it yesterday, I think I was most excited about this shade. Well, not really. I was excited about a lot of shades. I can't even lie. But I'm taking it on a Morphe M562 brush. It's tiny. And I'm just going to blend out the edges of the purple with this pink. This shade is stunning, guys, and so far it's building up nicely. I'm gonna have to go back into the purple though, which I always do anyway, but the fallout is what's making me sad. And just really blend out the outer edges as well. This brush is amazing. I highly recommend it if you don't already own it. It really helps blend out the edges. Okay, before I do anything else, I'm gonna take a little bit more of the purple and just kind of make sure the purple is still peeking through. But I do need to blend the purple into the pink a little bit more. So I need to find a good brush for that. I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush and just really make sure that purple, the edges of the purple are blended into the pink. This really takes like a lot of time and patience. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off camera, just the blending part. Okay, so I'm back after blending for like a year and my hand's about to fall off. I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna cut my lid, I guess, the center part of my lid. What do you call that? I mean, it's not really cutting my crease. First, I like to wipe off like the excess shadow so that the concealer like has a place to grip onto my lid and not the shadow, if you know what I mean. I don't know. And now I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Dose of Colors concealer, like a tiny bit, and a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, which I have the mini. I'm almost out of it. I need to get more because I love this stuff. But I also love the P. Louise one, and I have a new P. Louise one I haven't even touched yet, so struggles. I'm gonna take, this is the best brush ever for cutting the crease. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills 18 brush. It is like the most perfect shape for cutting the crease, and it's like the perfect density too, so it's interesting. So I just mix the two a little bit, and I'm just gonna place on the concealer and look up, and that's where you want your crease to land. Okay, so I don't worry about it being too perfect just yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit more of the purple and just kind of blend into where I cut the crease a little bit before I put on the lid shade. So before I pick a lid shade, I'm gonna take a little bit more of the pink that I took in my crease, and I'm just gonna like blend this into the purple a little bit. Okay, for the lid shade, I was so like in love with this shade when I swatched it yesterday. So this is the shade I'm gonna use. I don't know, I've never done like a gold, pink, and purple look, and I love the aesthetic of that, like those colors together. So I wanna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do this right and actually spray my brush. Okay, that helped a lot though. So I'm going back in with the pink and just blending that into the gold shade. The way it's blending together, do you guys see that? That is so stunning. And then I'm gonna take more purple just to really blend pink and purple together. Wow, you guys, isn't it pretty? Okay, and now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the purple. I don't know, should I do the halo eye just like the top? Okay, you know what? Forget the gold. I'm just gonna do the pink all the way through. Yeah, I changed my mind. I'm just gonna do the pink to make it more even. I was gonna mirror the halo eye, but no. And then I'll do the purple really close to the lash line. All right, let's hope that this fallout comes out, because otherwise I'm gonna be, oh good. Okay, it pretty much all came off. Okay, good. Yay, I'm so happy. I'm just gonna blend a little bit of the pink using this really fluffy brush, to make sure there's no harsh lines. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna take the shade I'm in it, which is gorgeous. And you know what? I'm gonna spray my brush to make it even more intense. So just a tiny bit, a tiny little spritz. I love this shade. I used it yesterday and I'm obsessed. Look at how like reflective it is. It has like a pink and purple shift, which is perfect for this look. So beautiful. So now all you need is lashes. Obviously for this side, if you are a simple person, you don't need lashes. I'm not gonna wear lashes tonight. I know I'm not, but I mean, if you just want to, you can. And for the sake of this look, I'm gonna do a really natural lash on this eye and a really bold lash on this eye, but I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so now for this eye, I'm gonna take a little bit of white eyeliner, and this is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I take it on a liner brush because it's just easier to apply that way. I think white eyeliner makes any look stand out. It makes your eyes look bigger, and yeah, I love it. I'm gonna add a tad more. I already added some mascara, but I just, oh my god, of course I did. This happens to me daily. I'm like so, oh, whatever. I'm washing my hair for tonight anyway, so I hope so. Anyway, this waterline I'm going to leave blank. Like, I think it looks good like that. This is supposed to be a soft glam. I love these lashes, by the way, but I can't say where they're from, but they are gorgeous and perfect for this look. And just for good measure, I would take a nude lipstick with both of these. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stripped Liquid Lipstick, one of my favorites. Hold on, I have to send Zaza a picture right now because she's been asking me. But yeah, that's it for these looks. This look, I don't know what to call this, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this with different palettes, just doing a neutral everyday look on one side and a really glam and bold look on the other side. This is really starting to bother me here, but I'm obsessed with how this turned out, and I hope you are too. And I hope you'll consider subscribing before I leave and giving this video a thumbs up because that helps me so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.